Yo, what's up guys, and today we're doing the Woodwork challenge with Jamie. We're up here at Phoenix on a very cold and windy day, but that's how dedicated we are. Basically, the Woodwork challenge is the crossbar and the 2 posts. You probably already knew that unless you were living under a rock, so let's go. Also, you'll see another video up today of when we were trying to do this. The camera kept falling over. Funny stuff. Well, no, I'm never funny. But this is Jamie. What? Alright, so let's go. Oh my god, he hit the post. Oh my god. Oh, alright, so you can't win. Thank Christ. No.
That hit it.
No, but that's okay. Oh no. Oh.
Do I take? Like, did that hit it?
That was so close.
Oh.
I don't know. Should we count it?
No. I wasn't clean.
Oh my god, imagine that though. You just boom, caught a top pins. I was still like, what? Alfie, don't you dare look off the camera again.
Yeah, in with the beats. Yeah, that was
Yeah. Well, this is a little thing I like to call the crossbar. Or maybe not.
No, that's not crossbar.
Well, that ball's rock solid. To be fair. Oh, that was like you're a boner. And yes, I'm not good enough to hit a boner, so I'm not trying it. Oh! Why?
Keep going until
Yeah, keep going until someone wins.
it's so hard.
Or if we run
No,
out of time.
it's like, I'm gonna see what I hear. Hit the post. Yeah, I have to now hit. I have to try to hit the crossbar and the right post.
Yeah.
You just have to try to hit all 3.
I know.
Yeah, alright.
It's not gonna be like that though. It wasn't gonna be the other way, because that's all the side men do it this way.
No.
I mean, if we... Oh my god. Oh! That was so unlucky. Actually, no, I'm not enough to prove them again. Because that was rock solid and I need to get it out. Put that one on the far side. I'll probably hit that one, and it'll give me a lot of confidence, therefore, I'll probably go to. Alright. James gone chasing after the phone. Alright. Come on, please. Crossbar! Oh! Oh my god! Alright, I'll try and hit one of the posts. Alright. Rolling crossbar. Boom. Oh. Alfie! That's Alfie, by the way. This fella. Hey yo. Alfie! He's probably gonna piss or something. He's probably gonna take a piss or something. He's like, yeah! He's probably just gonna pee. No, Alfie, no! Oh, yesterday me and Dad were up it. Oh, Alfie, why? Alfie, stop! He's pointing me back. Go away. Jesus. Yeah, go on. Right, away. Alfie, stop!
Yes! Yeah,
What you hit?
hit it.
What you hit?
The post, no, the crossbar.
I heard it. I can be like no. Oh yeah. Alright, you two. No language in the video,
Sorry.
please.
The post was
too hard. That's not too hard to fall. Alfie, look at the cow. Alright, I've got a new tactic. Here, watch him. I've got a new tactic.
Oh, lucky.
So I hit it.
No.
I was like, yes.
Oh, I'll give you that. That was the post. I'll give you that. Remember, I just have to hit the crossbar.
That's going to be so. Alright.
Trick shot though, does it have to be?
Yeah, it has to be a trick shot now. Because I'm far behind.
Really?
Unbelievably close. Oh, that's not a trick shot for you, is it? Oh! The seeds! Rabona.
Oh.
Yes! Alright. Alright. Let's get back into this.
Oh,
Come on. Like, please. I don't care if it's T's and C's. I'm great today. Jamie, if only we had kept recording. You'd have been finished by now. You'd have been done.
Oh, I hurt my wrist when I did that.
Here, make sure Alfie doesn't get me at the back.
Yeah, he won't. Hey, what are you doing?
Anyone saw that failed rainbow flip? That's like all the times I try to do a rainbow flip. It doesn't work. Run, Jamie! Run, Forrest! Is it run Ferris or run Forrest? Who's Forrest?
Forrest.
Oh. Crossbar. Oh, I called it and everything!
You did it.
I know, that's what I called it.
I called it.
Far post. Oh, you can just go away. Alright, what are we at? We're at 8 or 9 minutes. So we still have a good bit of time. About 6 minutes. It's crossbar. Oh, he's not going to try it, is he? Oh! I have to get away from there. Sorry. No. Oh. Can't do me like this. I think I'm gonna have to try and hit the crossbar because I need to get back into this. And the crossbar is probably the easiest to
I
hit.
hit the post, man.
Crossbar is probably.
I'm raging that other video. Can't go.
I know. Well, it is. I'm gonna put it up. Crossbar. Yes! Oh, I'm so happy. Come on.
You hit this rib.
Yes! Oh, yes!
true. I'll end the pit now.
Yeah, go on.
I will. I'll end the pit. Fuck this.
Yeah! Oh my god! Oh, I'm so happy. Yes, Alfie. Come on, celebrate with me. Oh my god. If you like this, oh, Jesus, Alfie. If you like this video, leave a like rating. If you're new, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later. Bye!